In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a Lebara eSIM in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are an existing customer who has a Lebara SIM and you want to switch to an eSIM, or you are a new customer who wants to get an eSIM from the get-go, you will be able to do either of these options. You can do them by accessing the Lebara portal when you go over to their website or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, in there when you browse through all of the plans, you have the option to apply for an eSIM as a new customer through a sales partner, or if you are an existing customer like I mentioned, you can initiate the switch to an eSIM inside of My Lebara portal. In there, you have to tap this setting that I've highlighted here. When you go over to SIM swap or My settings, you will find the options related to transferring your SIM pre-existing to an eSIM. Like I said previously, if you wish to get a new eSIM, you have to do it when you acquire your first Lebara SIM through a partner. As long as you find the option inside of the settings to swap your pre-existing SIM to an eSIM, all the changes will be applied instantly and you will still be able to manage your phone number, your balance, and all other aspects of your pre-existing plan and SIM through the app or through the portal on their website. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, you can also call their customer support and they will be able to assist you in switching the SIM to an eSIM. If they do it that way, you won't have to worry about heading into the settings, and it's a process that they can do on their end. You can also ask questions related to the eSIM, but for the most part, all the functionalities that you have on your normal physical SIM card are also going to be available in the eSIM technology. First, make sure your device supports it and you will be good to go. That is the only prerequisite besides making the switch or acquiring a new SIM. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a Lebara eSIM in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.